Hi, I'm Steph from the BMW DIY Guy, and do you want to do full paint correction and ceramic coating on your car? I'll show you what it's like. All right guys, so let's talk through this project a little bit, and this is just one part of a full detailing series here in partnership with Kimball's Hands-On Detailing. We're gonna do interior, we're gonna do exterior, we're gonna do window tinting, we're gonna do absolutely everything. And I wanna walk you through the process and the reasons why you'd wanna do this yourself. Now, we're gonna be doing full paint correction and ceramic coating on the car. I cannot be more excited, but you know, one of the most important things to do, and especially if you're here in the Pacific Northwest with a pro like Joe, is do post-delivery, right? So you get a brand new car, Joe can come and pick it up. He'll have a trailer, he'll bring it here to his facility, he'll do all the paint correction, he can do ceramic coating, your car is gonna be absolutely flawless. So don't have the dealership detail your car, have Joe do it, which is exactly what I'm doing. Now, you know, I'm always DIY. I love all the different projects that we do, but sometimes you really want to have a pro do it. And even with a brand new car, sometimes your paint isn't quite right. And he's gonna be able to paint correct in ways that I cannot do due to experience. Could you get the product? Sure. Could you get the tools? Yeah. But sometimes experience makes all the difference. So I cannot wait for Joe to get his hands on my car, and I'm gonna show you the entire process and the reasons why you'd probably want to do this yourself. And if you're in the Pacific Northwest, why you're gonna want Joe to do it for you. All right, let's jump in, let's get started. All right guys, we're at a really critical stage, so I wanted the pro to talk about it rather than me, because what we're gonna be doing today is actually using pro quality ceramic coating. You know, I love my DIYs, I love all the things we can do ourselves, but there's some things you really want the experts to do. So what are we doing today?
So last night we got the paint correction process totally complete. This morning we're gonna do a really good prep wipe on the vehicle, make sure there's no leftover polish residue, make sure all the fingerprints, dust, anything that may be on the vehicle right now, make sure it's totally gone. Get us totally bare paint to work with. Then we're going to be applying our DQuartz professional grade ceramic coating. What we love about DQuartz is it's actually one of the hardest coatings on the market. It's actually diamond infused. So you get that gloss, you get that protection. Just, it is overall a very good coating. The reason we are using DQuartz Professional in this as well is it is a professional grade ceramic coating, so you do have that room for error. That's why they don't offer it to the DIY guys. It's a very good product, but it's definitely can be difficult to try doing yourself if you're not a professional and haven't been trained on it before.
Absolutely, and this is definitely something where you actually need to be trained on. And the one thing, you know, I love my car, but the one thing about it is the paint's soft.
Yes.
I scuffed my own paint. So we're talking to these guys and they're like, this will actually harden the paint. I'm like, yeah, sign me up. So we're gonna do multiple coats on this. This is gonna be awesome. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, from that walk around, you can tell this has been absolutely transformative in my car. I can't express how gorgeous it is, and honestly, in person's even better than the video. The video doesn't do it justice. This has brought out more of the paint. It's incredibly reflective. It's harder because of the material that's put in, because let's face it, we got soft paint. But Cody and his whole team has been incredible. But Cody was telling me that you did something different with this car.
Yeah, so we tried a new process with the ceramic coating. We put a layer of DQuartz down, which is that harder, more more diamond coating.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, we actually put a layer of Cquartz SiC, which the DQuartz gives it that hard protection, whereas the SiC gives it that gloss. So you get the best of both worlds with both of those coatings.
And that is so cool. And again, what's amazing about that DQuartz is that's like a pro product. I mean, that's not something you're gonna see me putting on. You need somebody like Cody and his team to do it. This has been such a cool experience. Now, please make sure to check out the rest of the series, right? So we did the interior. We tinted the windows with amazing stacked tint, so just incredible. So make sure to check out the entire Kimball video series and detailing this car. If you're in the area, you should bring your car here to do the same. And if not, make sure to check it out and check out the products as well from Sky's the Limit Car Care. I mean, incredible people. They've been a huge partner in this process, huge partner. And honestly, I don't want anything else on my car. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Cody and his team. Incredibly awesome people. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you on my next video.